Hi, my name is Josh, and I go to Lee High School. My project is the gesture control robot, and this is my modification milestone. For my modification, I decided to put a robotic arm on top of my gesture control robot. And the reason I did this was that I noticed that both of these were missing um, key components. Like the gesture control robot, it was missing something that it could actually do, like function wise, instead of just driving around. And the robotic arm was missing mobility, so it was just stuck in one place in a 6-inch radius, and that I felt that wasn't really efficient. So I decided to put the two and two together, and like they filled each other's holes, and now it's like complete. So it works by the robotic arm has 4 servos, and each servo is connected to this nano, and this nano controls the entire robotic arm. And to connect to this joystick with the controls, like this, there's a HDF5 module that's right here, and there's another one here, and they talk to each other, can communicate. And so basically, whenever you move this forward, back, it it responds by moving forward and backwards, and the robotic arm does the same with a joystick. Another thing that I had to do to put this modification on was create this uh, mount. I designed this mount in CAD, and I had to screw these parts with the screw these parts in from the bottom, and I had to plastic weld the edges of this onto the other mount that other frame that I made for the gesture control robot, and the and some challenges that I faced while doing this was broken pieces. So basically, when I think 2 days ago, I was like taking the server out to reset it to 90 degrees, and then I pushed it out a little bit too much, and they snapped. So I had to wait another day for the parts to come back, and I also had some trouble with the Bluetooth communication, and because I needed 2 extra HCO5s, but the only ones that were there were in a bin, and they all said kind of works, maybe works. So I just used them and I tested them for a while, and I realized that they actually didn't work at all. So I decided to get new ones, and then that connection worked. After this blue stamp camp, I think if I had more time, then I would have added ultrasonic sensors on the front and back, so that whenever a wall or an object in front of it is there, that it'll stop if it's within a certain distance, like maybe around like 6 inches a foot. And another thing that I added is, or made better, is this controller, because right now it's pretty long and like it has a bunch of wires sticking out. What I'd do is just make this more compact and be able to fit in your hand instead of like just like this, you know. And yeah.